Okay, the day before yesterday, Dolkar twisted her ankle on the mountain trim. So we carry her back to the range. Today we have in here. It's called a half plaster. So this can so the plaster stay for a week. There's no fractures, just a twist, whatever it's called medically. So heal faster. So after a week she'll be okay. And until then, we cannot move. Stay home. Hey! So Dolkar twisted her ankle, walk in the hill. Okay, after like 30 minutes, I think, hiking down, that's a steep hill down, after Dolkar twisted her ankle. So we finally made it, this meditation hut. May 6, 2024. We're hiking up the mountain. We're going to visit a meditator who in a cave or hut doing meditations for the last 4 years. So we're going to visit him. I brought some food, so we're going to give to him. Supposed to be a solitary confinement meditation for the past 4 years. Today we're going to see him. 아까 가지고라.
다 하나 데스가 지금 누구요?
가지고지. 조금
아까 기시스가 누구 누구야? 유튜버스가.
야야.
이 원바. 사시오 때만 보지면.
알래.
오늘 전에 오빠의 나라 지초초. 시 오늘. 뱅기 토니 씨는 오늘 니 원바리샤.
니 원바.
내와. 오, 딱 오네. 너. 되니. 삼바드리야 빼. 다 통째 10월인도 안 돼도 네 원바 싸 전부.
와서 들어와.
간데니. 다른 살라기라. 이시 넘버 몽본디 나오네. 다. 그냥 주대니. 대단하다. 이렇게 나오다. 이렇게 나오다. 하기 싫다.
마마.
잠깐이 만두인데 너.
아니.
따따간디.
아니 어디?
네 상동은 막 가리. 나서서. 뭐래.
So the monk's hut is down here, below here. So this is a view of the Kangar Valley. We're going to his meditation hut. Oh yeah. It's a steep hill, small path. Get into a meditation hut. Here's Dolkar walking. There you go, walking sticks. Hey, hey. Okay, Dolkar twisted her ankle. Yeah. Okay, we were hiking, walking, and the Dolkar twisted her ankle. He's a monk.
아이!
Dolkar twisted her.
क्या हो गया?
Okay, after like 30 minutes, I think, hiking down, that's a steep hill down. After Dolkar twisted her ankle, so we finally made it. This meditation hut. That's right here, meditation hut. So we're the one of the monk doing meditation here in this meditation hut. So stick her ankle in a cold water, so just prevent it from swelling. So it actually makes it heal too. It's better. Okay, we arrived here, meditation hut, small hut. One monk lives here, and he has been doing meditation, solitary meditation for past 4 years. Obviously, Dolkar stick her feet in cold water after twisting her ankle. And here Guruji, the famous Gumbu Guru. And here. Oh, this inside. This is his kitchen. Small little kitchen. Okay, here's a monk who's a meditator. And this is his little room. The room. He's doing meditation for past 4 years. This is his room. So we're here having conversation. 아까 저쪽 구글라.
자꾸.
아.
잘라서.
오, 야야야.
하나 죽었다.
오, 샤기.
아, 좁지.
지나 그 좁지. 오, 샤기.
딱 좋아요.
잠깐.
Meditation hut.
이 고리 주는 데리다.
그네 로버지가
오, 야야. 아마마마. 셰츠미키 주던가.
아.
셰츠미키야.
가서 전에 그 관한 계좌. 안 돼. 계좌시라.
We're here at the meditation hut and having lunch with the monk who's doing meditation here. Actually, his story is he's been studying Tibetan Buddhism in the South India for over 20 years. So he received PhD degree in Tibetan Buddhism. After receiving the PhD degree, now he come to here in the Himalaya region, in Himachal Pradesh, in the mountain to meditation. The meditation.
이제는 그래. 안 출고야 서.
완전히라 그시. 이제. 그러면서 어디가?
그래 같이 주진이.
도망이지.
아, 야야. 아까 아?
땀을 넣으면 디스코. 뭐지 담대 가르쳐줘. 인수 보면 계속부터 드리겠는데.
Having cold noodle with the monks.
Oh, that's heavy. 일로 봐지. hello. 랑이베.
그 가는데 전주다 계시 저는 아. 내용 좀 똑사서고.
시 토마스 카마라.
아,
시 토마스 카마.
된다시.
그나吃了吃了공부 좀
이쪽은
사진이야.
차디.
야야야. 야. 공화 쪽도 남았다니 이게 뭐 성화체를 들고. 아, 뭐는 또 얘기.
하나 근데 보면 되구나. 자, 산대로 줘 어디? 그거 뭐 타마딩 하지? 말로 이쪽 뒤에. 아니야, 완전
오가.
말로.
어떤 편이?
직출로.
그거 봐. 어예.
그만 루사이. 저런 거.
버라지니까.
주마도 루사를 알아. After Dolkar twisted her ankle, we finally made it. We saw the doctor. The doctor said just rest, nothing can do, just twist. So she's walking. You can see from behind me. Okay, they did before yesterday. Dolkar twisted her ankle on the mountain trim. So we carry her back to Himalayas. Today we have in here. It's called a half plaster. So this can plaster stay for a week. There's no fractures, just a twist. Whatever it's called medically. So heal faster. So after a week she'll be okay. And until then, we cannot move. Stay home.